2015 Can-Am Commander. Got the other side already off, but remove all the clips down there and get this panel off. Doing spark plug wires, and a coil. Get this side off. You see one plug in there. Oh, this thing's filthy. Get the other side off. Update y'all. Got the side panels off both sides. Got to pull the front panel off with the ignition and all the switch. All the switches. Coils sitting right there. There's the coil. Unplug it. Unplug plug wires. Make sure you remember which one plugs in which. Get the plugs out and get it swapped over. Hopefully it fixes the misfire. Ordered all this off Amazon. Plug wires, coil, and new plugs. Oh, let me get some light on here. There's the coil. The one closest to you is the plug right here, the short wire. The one passenger side goes to the other side. Yes, sir. Got the new coil, new wires. Got the old one pulled out. About to get this on. Change out the plugs, and hopefully it fixes the miss. It was a fucking spark plug or a wire that was bad. Because I put the new coil on it and it wasn't skipping, but it was flashing check engine light like it didn't like that coil or something. It ran, but it didn't like the idle. So I put my coil back on it. Perfect. I got new plugs on there and new plug wires, just the old coil, and it fixed it. About to put it back together half-assed and go drive it, make sure, but bitch fixed. Send that coil back, get my money back. That's a Bosch coil. And those were Bosch plug wires that were on it. This plug looked fine. I mean, it was burned up. That plug looks kind of alright. This one was fucked. She's fixed. Hope I didn't dump the trash out. I fixed it. She's fixed. She's running good. Now I can put it all back together. It was skipping and it got so hot, the exhaust mounts melted and the wire and ran through it, caught on fire. But I'll fix all that later. It runs and haul trash off again. That's all I care about.